This first came out, it was a D777. You guys recognize this big boy. It's a F450, F550 Ford severe duty application, where it basically was simple back and plate. It had 4 abutment clips in place, and it was strictly back and plate and clips, and that's it. Well, years down the line, they had an issue. Most likely it was drag, because what they did was they added these wire springs to spread the pads off the rotor. Well, in doing that, what did they do? They kept the clips as they were. They added the springs, which was a costly increase to the kit problem, but then they also added a back and plate because they had to put a little dimple in here so that the spring can stay in place. So what that caused you as a supplier was added inventory needing both 777 and 1066 that I know basically almost everybody offers, but not only did they do that, it caused you to have dual kits. There's no sense having these wire forms in a 777 application. You're just adding cost to throw away. But if you're offering 777, you need both kits. What did we do? We solved that problem for you. Our quick release clip design has that feature built right in it. So not only does that value add give you the ability to eliminate the costly wire form springs, it gives you the ability to sell the fact that you can offer a drag-free system for both 777. You can't do that today with the current system, and also include it with the 1066 application. The clips basically fit in the exact same way as what the original designs do. The pads go in the same way. We now have our spring feature right here up against the inside of the back plate for that retraction off the rotor. And it all goes together the same way. The clips are in place. The caliper body gets put in place. And then lastly, the installer has to install this bulky spring. As you can see, they get tangled up in the box. And now that needs to be installed into the system. And it's not as simple as you think. Why do you want that when you can simply just use this? Our clip does all of that without the frustration of trying to include this wire form spring while installing. Simply put the clip in place and you're done. So again, inventory reduction, both kits and friction sets. What does that equal? Happier customers.